Ever wondered if your crypto is just sitting there when it could be paying your bills? Most people leave their assets dormant on an exchange, missing out on the compound growth that actually builds long-term wealth. I've spent the last few years navigating the Kraken ecosystem to see which methods actually move the needle, and today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can turn your idle balance into a passive income stream. 1. On-chain staking, the heavy hitter. This is my go-to for long-term holds. When you stake on-chain, you're essentially helping secure the blockchain network. Kraken makes this incredibly easy, usually just a couple of clicks, but you have to choose between flexible and bonded staking. Flexible staking, you earn rewards, usually slightly lower, but can unstake and trade your assets almost instantly. It's perfect if you think you might need to sell during a sudden market spike. Bonded staking, this is where you find the higher yields, sometimes upwards of 12% to 22% on assets like Cosmos, Atom, or Polkadot, DOT. The catch? Your funds are locked for a set period. If the market crashes and you're bonded, you're going down with the ship until that unbonding period clears. 2. Auto Earn, the set it and forget it tool. If you're like me and have a dust collection of 20 different altcoins, manually staking each one is a headache. I use Auto Earn to solve this. You toggle one switch in your settings, and Kraken automatically scans your account for any eligible assets, like Solana, Cardano, or Ethereum, and starts generating rewards on them immediately. Pro tip, this works in the background even if you're a regular trader. Since these are flexible rewards, the assets stay available for you to use as margin collateral or to sell for a profit without having to manually unstake first. 3. Opt-in rewards, for the non-stakables. One of the best hidden features I've found is opt-in rewards. Traditionally, you can't stake Bitcoin or stablecoins like USDC because they don't use a proof-of-stake consensus. Kraken bypasses this by allowing you to opt in your idle balances. Stablecoins, you can often earn between 4% and 5% on USDC or USDT. It's significantly better than a traditional savings account, and since they're pegged to the dollar, you don't have to worry about the volatility of the underlying asset. Bitcoin staking, through the Babylon Protocol integration, you can now even earn a yield on your BTC, paid out in tokens like $BABY, which was unheard of for years without using risky third-party lending platforms. 4. Ethereum risk-taking, the advanced play. For my ETH holders, Kraken recently introduced risk-taking via EigenLayer. Essentially, you're double-dipping. You stake your ETH to secure the Ethereum network, and then those staked assets are used again to secure additional services. It's a bit more technical and carries slightly more risk, but it's the most efficient way to maximize the yield on the second largest crypto asset in the world. The strategy one use. I keep a barbell strategy. I put 70% of my long-term bags into bonded staking for the maximum possible yield. The remaining 30% stays in auto earn, so I have liquid cash ready to buy a dip or take profits when the market gets euphoric. Just remember, rewards are paid out twice a week, and those rewards compound automatically. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.